Have you ever wondered what generation your Intel processor is? Maybe you're planning to upgrade your PC, install software, or you just want to know if your computer is still up to date. The good news is, you can find out in less than a minute. I'll also show you how to identify the Intel generation just by looking at the processor model number. Let's get started. Welcome to Zimist Coded. The quickest way to check your Intel processor generation is through Windows Settings. Simply right-click the Start button and select System. This opens the About page for your computer. Under Device Specifications, look for the Processor section. On some versions of Windows 11, you may also see the processor information displayed at the top of the page. As you can see on my computer, it clearly says 11th Gen. If your PC shows this, then you've already found your processor generation. However, not every Windows 11 version displays the generation like this. If yours doesn't, don't worry. You can still determine it from the processor model number. For example, you might see something like Intel Core i7 1185G7 or Intel Core i5 8650U. Here's how to read it. If your processor is Intel Core i7 1185G7, look at the numbers immediately after the hyphen. The 11 tells you it's an 11th generation Intel processor. If your processor is Intel Core i5 8650U, the first number after the hyphen is 8, which means it's an 8th generation Intel processor. Here's an easy rule to remember. For 10th generation Intel processors and newer, the first two digits after the hyphen indicate the processor generation. For 1st through 9th generation processors, the first digit after the hyphen tells you the generation. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your Intel processor generation on any Windows PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications so you never miss our easy-to-follow Windows and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.